I am up on the roof. There is no easily accessible clean out for the drain line, so I'm going to use this plumbing stack to access it. This will be the easiest way for me to inspect it. So I will inspect the drain line from here all the way to the beginning of the city sewer. Here we go. Okay, we are heading down the plumbing stack. And it will eventually get to the bottom, and it should make a curve. Okay. All right, there we are. Now we are actually down in the drain line now. There is just a little debris hanging from the top of the pipe, but that's nothing. So we're going to go ahead and push to the city sewer. Okay, I'm at my first connection here, about 30 feet in. This is cast iron pipe. You can tell from the scaling on the walls, but all of that looks normal. There's no issues so far. There looks to be about another connection, about 40 feet. Still looking good. Maybe hard to see. There's another connection right there. It's still looking good. No issues. I'm at approximately 56 feet. No issues so far. Everything's still looking good. Okay, now we are out in the it looks like we're out in the yard. This looks like clay pipe. This is the first section of clay pipe. There might have been some more clay pipe. If I go ahead and scoot this back a little bit. Yeah, so from right here, it crosses over from cast iron to clay, and now you can see that the walls are much smoother on the clay, but there is some root intrusion right here that you can see. And with the clay pipes, they're only 3 feet long, so that's a lot of connections and entry points for roots. But so this is our first connection with roots. I'm going to go ahead and keep pushing to the city sewer. Okay, I'm at some more connections, about 61 feet. No issues right here. Let me try to get over this little hump. There we go. Now, that just looks like cobwebs right there. Sometimes bugs get in the little cracks, spiders and things like that. Okay, there's some more roots right there at about 67 feet. You can see them on the upper left-hand side right there. Okay, I'm going to keep pushing. Okay, there's more root intrusion, about 70 feet. Like I said earlier, these are in 3-foot sections, and every section is prone to root intrusion, which you can see right here on the right-hand side. Okay, now you can see there's a bunch of debris and gunk, and there's some more roots right here. I'm just going to keep pushing. You can still see all those roots growing in right there. So this will have to be repaired for sure. But let's go ahead and keep pushing to the city sewer. More root intrusion, about 77 feet. You can see it right there on the right-hand side. more root intrusion. Just about every connection of this clay pipe has some sort of root intrusion. Again, more root intrusion, about 90 feet. Once again, we've got some more root intrusion. Okay, the drain water is holding water right here, about 95 feet. You can see those roots growing across the drain line right there. I'm going to try to push through this. Okay, as you can tell from the video, I am having trouble passing this. This clog right here. There's a lot of roots and debris. I will try to keep pushing, but I've been struggling. But let me keep trying. I cannot get my sewer camera any further. I've been trying for quite some time. This debris is holding me up. There is no power as far as how the sewer camera goes in and out. It's just pushed by me. I will try for a little bit longer to see if I can get a little bit further. I have tried for several more minutes and I could barely get past that clog. As you can see, there's more root intrusions right there. I am at approximately 100 feet. I cannot push my camera any further, so this is as far as I can get. So the drain line is at least 100 feet from the house, but this clay drain line is going to have to be repaired.